Okay, so we're back. Can you guys hear me and see my screen well?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with the first question.
Yes.
Okay, let's start with the first question. We have Muaz first.
Yes.
Yes, Muaz, would you like to start?
Yes.
Okay, so the first question, can you read it, please?
The four inner planets are rocky and small, which describes the outer planets.
Okay, so he was describing the inner planets first. So he said that they are rocky and small. Now he needs you to pick a description that describes the next four planets, the next four outer planets. Do you remember?
They are large and made of gases.
What? I didn't hear you.
C.
C, they are small and made up of ice.
No, D.
D, oh, they are large and made up of gases. Yes, well done. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, I heard you wrong. Yassine, this is a science session, okay? So you can ask your friends later. Okay, Yassine?
Okay.
Okay. So let's go back to the questions now. After Muaz, we have Jana. Do we have Jana with us today? Jana, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, Jana. Can
Yes.
you read and answer number 2, please?
Yes. Which two planets are out or
I'm sorry,
order?
I just skipped the question. Yes, huh? Which two planets are
Out
of
of
order?
order in this list of our solar system.
Yes.
The planets are listed in order of distance from the sun.
So it means it's starting from the planets closest to the sun to the farthest. Okay. So there are two planets in this order that are in the wrong place. What do you think? So
Mercury
here he's
and Earth.
mentioning Mercury, Earth, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So there are two planets that are in the wrong places. What do you think?
Mercury and Earth.
Mercury and Earth. Yes, well done. Thank you so much. Yes, that's right. Mercury and Earth, because it was supposed to be. Can someone say it? It was supposed to be Mercury and then
Venus.
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Venus.
Well done. Thank you so much, Jenna. And thank you, everyone. Okay, Abdulrahman, you're next. Abdulrahman,
Yes.
you're
Yes.
next. Okay, can you read the question and answer it too?
Yes. What is a special characteristic of Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus?
Yes.
They are planets in
So
our
it's
solar
saying that they
system.
are planets in our solar system, or they spin slowly, or they revolve around the sun, or they have rings. So
They have
they need
rings.
something so special about it. Guys, if you're not using the mic, please mute yourselves.
They have rings.
They have rings. Yes, thank you so much. So he checked here. He was talking about Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So those, I'm sorry, Neptune and Uranus. So those are the outer planets. So what is so special about them is that they actually have rings. Some people would say that they spin slowly, but no, actually, the outer planets, or the farther you move from the sun, the faster these planets will actually spin. Thank you, Basil. Do you want me to send you to the waiting room? Okay. Now, who's next? We have Jaida. Okay, but before Jaida, Ugmini, you were raising your hand. Yes?
I need to ask you something. Is
Yes, you
it
can
A
ask
or B in question two?
question 2.
Is it A or B?
B, Earth and Venus.
Okay.
Okay, because it was supposed to be Earth. I'm sorry, it was supposed to be Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So Earth and Mars are the one that I'm sorry, Earth and Venus are the one that's out of order in this sentence. Okay, okay.
You said Mercury and Earth are the wrong ones,
Who
so
said that?
I was confused.
I said that.
Yes.
Okay, maybe I got confused or just missed spelling things, but we meant Earth and Venus. I'm
Okay.
so
Thank
sorry for
you.
making you confused, Yergmini. But here,
It's okay.
if you can see the sentence, it's Earth and Venus that are out of order because it was supposed Venus first and then the Earth. Okay,
They tried to disturb the session.
there is some yes, there are some noises. I'm gonna mute you all, guys. That's right. Adito, please, if you're not using the mic, do not unmute yourself. Okay. Um. Okay. Let's see who's next. We said Joyda will be next. Do we have Joyda with us today? I believe we do because we have everyone. Joyda, we cannot hear you if you're talking because you are muted.
Uh, now you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you now.
What holds the planets in their
Orbits, yes.
orbits around the sun?
Yes. What
Gravity
gravity? Well done. What gravity? The gravity of what?
of the sun.
The sun. Well done. Thank you so much. I think it was Abdurrahman or who that asked about how
Yes,
can
it was
planets be
me.
yes?
It was me. How the
Yes.
planet do
Remember?
not fall in the space?
Yeah, that
Yes.
was a really good question. He said how planets do stand still and do not go and fall in the emptiness of the space. That's a really good question. It's because the sun, as we said, is the largest object in our solar system, so it has the strongest gravity, and that's why it holds all the planets in their orbit.
Miss,
That's why they
if they
all
have the
revolve around it.
strongest, Miss, if
Yes?
it had the strongest in outer space, the
Yes.
strongest
Not
gravity,
in the
why do we
whole
float?
outer space, not in the whole outer space, because the sun or the star in our solar system is not actually the biggest star. It's like in the medium size. Do you know that? There are
Yes, because
way
there is
bigger
bigger
stars and
planets.
way hotter stars. Yes?
Because there is bigger planets that we don't know.
Maybe there are other planets we really do not know
Yeah,
yet because we cannot see farther than our solar system, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Well, with more technology, we will discover more about space. That's why they say space is endless, like it has no end because discover more and more things. So we think that space has
Miss
no end,
Maha.
but maybe it has an end. But remember Buzz Lightyear used to say to infinity and beyond?
Yeah.
Yeah, because he thinks that space has no end. Till now, it's actually a real thing because we cannot discover more than our solar system. And with more technology, we discover more things and we discover how space is huge. So, yeah, maybe
Miss
it doesn't
Maha.
have an end or maybe it has an end at I don't know. No one knows. Yes, someone was saying Miss
Miss
Noha.
Maha.
Yes,
Can you check the chat?
I cannot hear you. Oh, check. Okay, I'll check the messages. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Malak. Thank you for those nice words too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I wish you are having fun all the time. Thank you so much.
Miss, you're always welcomed every time in the
Thank
class.
you. Well, guys, you really made my day. Thank you so much, all of you. Faida, Malak, Abdurrahman, all of you guys, actually. Seeing you or being in your
Yes.
session is one of the most amazing things I have in my day, really.
Thank you
Whether
so
it's
much, Miss
virtual, it's
Maha.
an online session, just every time. You are guys, you are amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Miss Noah, and you're welcome for everything. You deserve everything more than you know.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Who was
You're
that?
welcome. This
Farida?
is Farida.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Farida. Thank you so much.
Miss, you
Yeah.
deserve more than this.
Thank you. Guys, well, I'm so shy now. Thank you so much.
By the way, I'm waiting for you, the participants. So if you want to know,
Who?
I'm writing for you, the participants. For the participants,
Okay. I will didn't understand what you're saying.
I'm writing the participants, like the names who didn't come and who come in the meeting.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much,
You're
Farida.
welcome.
Thank you for doing
You're
that.
welcome.
Okay, now we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
Tia. Tia is next. Do we have Tia with us today?
Miss, you deserve more than that.
Thank you guys. Wallahi, just oh my god.
Miss Noah, I'd be happy when you enter the class.
Oh, thank you, Zaida. Thank you. And I'm so happy when I enter your class too. You just make my day, really, wallah. When I say I'm having grade 4 now, it's like so happy sentence for me. Thank you guys. And when your session changed, I was like, I'm gonna miss them. But then I discovered that it's after the break, which means you took a break and then you are with me. So that's a good thing. Thank you guys. Thank you for being so nice to me. Thank you so much. Do we have Tia with us today?
A sun or a star?
Okay, Tia,
Hi,
yes,
Miss
you're
Noah.
here. Hey Tia, how are you? Can you answer this question, number 5? What do planets revolve around?
A star or a sun?
Yes, a star or a sun. Yes, well done. So they revolve around the star because it's so big. So it just attracts everything around it. And for our solar system, the star is the sun. Thank you so much, Tia. Now we have Iyad Tamer. Do we have Iyad Tamer with us today?
Yes.
Yes, Iyad. Can you answer number 6?
Okay, which of the following is an outer planet? Earth and Mars.
Well,
Oh, sorry,
oh,
Jupiter. I thought it was inner
yes.
planet.
Well, that's nice. You just came to your senses. Well done. Thank you so much, Iyad. So you're saying the outer planets. Yes, well done. Thank you so much. So we have only Jupiter in here, and make is not a real thing. Okay, number 7. We have now. Let me check. Who do we have? Okay, we have Rugmini. Rugmini,
Yes.
can you answer number 7?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, it says. Can you say it?
Okay. Which of if which if the following planets is the
Okay, it's
smallest?
supposed to be which of the
Mm,
following? Sorry about this.
okay.
Let me fix it
It's
for
fine.
you. Yes, which of the following?
Planet is the smallest. Mercury.
It's supposed to be Mercury. Yes, well done. Thank you so much. It's the first planet, the closest to the Earth, and it is the smallest planet. It's actually in the size of the Earth's moon. Can you imagine how small is it? It's the
Yeah.
same size as the moon. Yes. Thank you, Abdurrahman. I need no gifts. I'm so happy with your words and for you guys being happy. Thank you so much, Abdurrahman. Okay, number 8. We have Basil. Basil, I saw your eyes in the meeting. You was actually zooming into your eyes. Are you with us today?
Yes.
Yes. Would you like to answer number 8?
Okay.
What are, can you read it?
What are the inner planets composed
Of. Yes, that
of?
means what are the inner planets made up of? Okay. What's
C.
it's gonna be?
C.
C. Are you sure? He's saying inner planets.
Uh, B.
Mm,
No, D. D. Rook.
okay, it's gonna be rocks. We call them rocky planets because they are made up of rocks, remember? And we call the
Yes.
outer planets gas giants because they are made up of gases and they are so huge. So we call them gas giants.
I
Okay.
say C. I say C because I remember that something with gas.
It's okay. It's okay. No, but all the inner planets are made up of rocks. I mean, you can stand over their surface. Okay. Thank you so much. Yassine, you're next. Yassine.
What?
Hey, Yassine.
Hey, you're sorry.
Can you read your question now, number 9?
Okay.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is another name for the inner planets?
Yes. So do you think it's extraterrestrial planets or rocky planets, gas giants, gas dwarfs? What do you think?
Gas dwarfs.
I cannot hear you, Yassine.
Gas dwarfs.
Yassine, I just answered this question in the previous one. We said that the inner planets are made up of rocks, and that's why we call them rocky planets. Where have you been, Yassine? Okay, be careful next time, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Adito?
Yes.
Yes, Adito.
Which outer planets have rings?
Yes,
All four of them.
that's right. It says just Saturn, Saturn and Jupiter, Jupiter, Neptune, and Saturn. It's actually all the 4 of them. But because Saturn has the most amount of rings, that's why it's way obvious. That's why we can see all the rings. But all the inner planets are really specialized with being made up of gas and also having rings. Thank you so much, Adito. Thank you so much. Leila? Do we have Leila with us today? Yes. Leila, you are muted. We cannot hear you.
Miss
Yes?
Miss Noha,
Yes?
check the messages.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much, Jumana. Thank you so much. Oh, really, it's me that cannot describe how happy I am today. Thank you so much. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much. Do we have Leila with us today? She is with us, but she's not answering. I don't know if she's having a problem or not with her mic. But anyway, let's go to Farida. Farida, you're next.
Okay. Which planet is the
Miss,
farthest
I
from the
didn't hear
sun?
you at first.
Okay, Leila, you will answer the next question, okay? After Farida.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
sure.
Yes, Farida. Which planet is farthest from the sun? What do you think, Farida?
Which planet? Maybe. Let me think.
You can say them in order. Like sometimes I get confused too. So I start saying Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, huh? And then we have Uranus and
Uranus, then
yes.
Neptune.
So what is the answer? It is
Neptune.
Neptune. Yes, well done. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Faida.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
Leila, you can answer number 12. Leila, you
Okay.
can answer number 12. So it says, can you read it?
Okay. Which planet has the most moons?
Yes, with most moons. Yes. What do you think? Like
I
has
think
the most numbers of moons? Yes.
it's Jupiter.
Yes, Jupiter. Well done, because it is the biggest planet. Actually, it's the largest planet يعني among all the planets in our solar system. And because it's the largest one, it has again a really good gravity. So that's why it attracts most of the moons, and that's why it has the biggest numbers. And that's why also all the outer planets have big numbers of moons. Like the least one has about 13 moons, which is also a big number. Yes, thank you so much, Yarela.
Yeah.
Yes, now we have Muhammad. Yes,
Yes.
Abdurrahman. Thank you so much, Abdurrahman. Thank you for these good words.
Yes.
It's okay, Tahir. It's okay. When we come to your name, you can answer by chat. Okay, you can send messages here. So when we just get to your name, thank you so much, Karim. And you are guys, you are one of the best students I've ever taught. Literally, wallah. I'm not saying just words. Those are real things. Thank you so much. Yes, Muhammad, you're next now.
Okay. Which outer planet rotates sideways?
Yes, it means on its side. What do you think?
Saturn?
No. What do you think?
Um,
Yes, Tahir, you can answer with Farah's microphone. You can actually join from the same account. Yes, thank you so much, Tahir. I always forget that you guys are actually siblings. Thank you, Tahir. Yes, you can answer from Farah's
Miss,
microphone. It's okay. Yes, Muhammad.
is it Jupiter?
No, it's actually Uranus, because Uranus is the one known to be tilted on its side because they say that it's been hit by an asteroid as size as the Earth. And that's what makes it so special. Do you guys remember the song we used to have about planets? It was rapping thing.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
will
remember
upload the
it.
link for you so you can remember that Uranus is actually tilted on its side because he was kidding and doing stuff, and then he was like, "Okay, I'm sorry," because he's tilted on its side. I remember. I don't really remember the words, but just yeah, I'm trying to remember them with you. So we have people raising their hands. Yusuf, yes, Yusuf. Do you need any questions?
No, I just wanted to answer.
Okay, we will come to your name. Do not worry about this. Wahba, you are next.
Okay.
Okay, guys, you can see who's next in the list. Okay, so we have Layan in next. Yes, Yasin, you can answer again, but when we finish all the names, okay? Layan, you can answer next, but please, guys, be ready so we do not waste time in opening the mic, muting and unmuting, and all of that thing. You know. Yes, Wahba. So can you read it? It's true and false. True or false? Huh?
Okay. The Earth is the center of the solar system.
Yes. What do you
Uh,
think?
False.
False, yes. The sun is the center of our solar system. They used to think that the Earth is actually the center of the solar system, and then the great scientist Galileo Galilei told them that it's not the center, it's the sun, and they actually executed him. They thought he was doing some magic with things. Um, Okay, Layan, thank you so much. This is a really, really long one. Thank you so much. I will read it. But now it's your turn, number 15. Can you read the question?
Yes. What is a
Yes.
common characteristic of the inner planets? Uh, rocky, rocky surface.
Okay. Thank you for those nice words. Oh, that's nice. Wallahi, يعني, you guys made me so happy today. And it was enough for me to teach you, but now I'm so happy for this day. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Layan, for those nice words. Thank you, sweetie.
You.
Anything for
So,
our best teacher.
thank you. Thank you, guys. So the question was, what is the common characteristics of the inner planets? I'm sorry, Lion, I did not hear you.
Rocky surface.
Yes, they having rocky surface. Well done. Thank you so much. Number 16, we have Bilar. I believe we have Bilar with us today. Bilar?
Yes, Miss Naha.
Yes, Bilar. So number 16, can you read it?
Yes, which planet rotates to give day, night every 24 hours?
Yes. The answer will be easier than you think.
Earth.
Earth, yes, because it says every 24 hours. The farther you move away from the sun, the longer the day will be. I'm sorry, it's not going to be longer. I'm sorry, the longer the year, but the shorter the day. So that means as you move far from the Earth, it's less than 24 hours to finish one day. So the only planet that, has a day and night in 24 hours is actually the Earth. Well done. Thank you so much, Bilar. Okay, number 17, we have, let me check. We have Yusuf.
Me.
Yusuf, your time came now. Now it's your turn.
Yes. Yes. What is in between the inner planets and the outer planets?
Yes, what do you think?
Asteroid belt.
Asteroid belt. Yes, well done. Thank you. Actually, the Kuiper belt is also found, but it's after Pluto. We have another asteroid belt, but it's just found after Pluto. Okay? Yes. Thank you so much, Yusuf. Now, number 18. Which planet has the biggest rings? We have, let me check who's next. Hamza?
It's Saturn.
Yes, so it says the biggest rings, it's gonna be Saturn, yes. Do you know that there's another planet that has really big number of rings, but I really don't remember its name. I will try to get the name for you. It has like, oh my god, a lot of rings. It's so huge. We'll try to check the name if we still have time at the end. Okay, now we have Farah, I think. Farah is next. Farah, you're next.
Yes.
Yes, Farah. Can you read number 19?
The sun is a planet, a star, asteroid, planet, star.
A star, yes. It's not a planet. It's so big to be a planet. Well done. Thank you so much. It's a star. Okay, number 20, we have Reem. Reem, your name came to the screen.
Yes.
Yes, Reem. Can you read number 20, please?
The the blank has planets, moons, comets, and asteroids. Solar
Yes.
system.
Solar system. Well done. Thank you so much. Okay, now we have Jumana. Well, Jumana is with it's not the hardest because you guys can do everything. Nothing is hard for you, but it needs some thinking. Or it needs you to remember. What is the difference between asteroid and comet? You can say it in your own words. Okay? So you don't have to say it exactly the same. So what do you think?
Um, mm,
It's okay, you can say it in your own words. Like, for example, what are asteroids made up of? What do you remember?
rocks.
Rocks and metals. Well done. Thank you. But comets are made up of frozen gases and
Yeah,
rock. Other thing. Yes. So that's another one thing. Well done. Thank you so much. The asteroids are found in the asteroid belt, while comets are just moving around the sun. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
So it is a big question, but you did it well. Thank you so much, Jumana. Okay, now we have, do we have Sulaiman next? Sulaiman, are you with us today? Sulaiman? Sulaiman,
Sulaiman is not
us?
in the meeting.
He's not in the meeting, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we can pick Malak. Malak Walid. Malak Walid. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Malak, can you hear me?
Nope.
Thank you, Faida.
Yeah. Miss Noah,
Yes?
you were calling me?
Yes, Malak. Can you answer this question? Pick a planet and describe 2 or 3 things that it's known for.
Saturn.
Huh?
It
Okay,
has
Saturn. So what do you think?
it's known as the outer planet,
It is an outer planet.
and it has lots of rings.
It has lots of rings. That's nice. That's what makes it so special. What else?
I said two.
Is it
And
made up of rocks or gases? What is it made up of?
gases.
Gases, yes. Well done. Thank you so much, Malak. Okay,
You're
guys, I
welcome.
will upload this worksheet for you.
Miss
Okay. I know there are some people that did not answer today. Some people did not
Miss
answer
Noah, can you
today,
check
right?
the chat?
Yes.
Can you check the chat?
I actually took a screenshot of all the chat, so I can check it.
Okay, it's from
Okay.
Farida again. I did it again.
I know. I
me
saw it and I said,
also.
thank you so much, Farida.
Yeah, I
me
did another
also.
one, I mean.
Thank you so much. Okay, so guys, I think this is the end of the session. I'm so sorry for those who didn't answer today. Maybe next time we will answer more questions because we have 2 minutes only. So I don't think we'll be able to do that.
Miss, can you make sure that I send it to the notes?
That what?
Did I send it 2 notes, not 1?
Yes, I did. I checked that. I took a screenshot of all of it
Okay.
just right now. Yes,
Okay.
I read your message too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys. So that's the end of today's session. Do you have any questions before leaving?
No, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Okay.
Leanne. Thank you, guys. Wallahi, yani. Thank you so much for those amazing notes. And thank you for doing this shape, ya Farida. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. See you guys soon, Wallahi. I miss you all the time.
We will miss you too.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
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 Bye, everyone. Bye.
Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Thank
Bye.
you. You too. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.
Have the
Bye.
best day
Bye.
ever.
Bye 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 bye
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
bye.